cotton ball right at level with your shoulder.
You're gonna, what, spin around? You have
I'm
to
going to
spin
spin around first, and then when I go to shoot, I'm going to hold the shot put right directly with my shoulder. Step forward.
around. But thank goodness it wasn't a real shot put. All
Sorry.
right, no science teachers were injured making this video. Okay, so whoa. Look at that. So we're measuring. 0 goes on the fault line or the starting point here. We just put a piece of blue tape so it's easier to see. You can just, again, use your string. And you're gonna stretch that out.
And I put
No.
my finger where the 150 was. And I move this up. So that's 100, another 150, so that's a total of 300. You can write them down on a paper if you need to. And then I move it up so that the zeros
Now
in.
yep, and you always remember to keep that one hand fixed so you're not losing
Yeah.
your starting place.
Now, do I get to measure to the edge of the shot put?
Yep, the very end.
The very end, okay. So it looks like it's an extra 58.
Good. So it's a little, we're gonna worry about it. It's like 58.5
Oh, that's
or something.
true, from your angle, yeah, 58.5. So it's 300 plus 58 plus 0.5, which is 5 extra millimeters.
Once you have a method that works for you, repeat it 4 times and take your 3 highest throws.